Hello, good morning, and this is my video tutorial. Our topic here is linear average search. Then the package is DIO will help you to input and to see the output of your program. Then public static linear, this is the name of our class. Then this will have the same name of our notepad. Then public static void may string args. The string args, it's used to hold optional arguments passes to the class. Then the throws used when calling a method that can throw. Then buffer reader, see that yung buffer reader state input stream reader system that in. The buffer reader here is will create a new buffer reader object. And the variable of our buffer reader is C. And the output size, the variable is size. Then in here where we gonna input our variable. Then size double that first double. Then see that read line will read our buffer reader. Then double average case. The formula of our average case is size plus 1, then divide by 2. Then system that out that print average case of linear search is plus average case. Then run it out to command prompt cmd search. Then first you have to save your file into your desktop. Then name it linear average.java. Ito is Java. Then all files save. Then see the desktop because this is where we save our program. Okay, then the path, our path here is like underscore 03 game. Then Java. Then linear average. Then Java. Then linear again. The name of your file. Then average. Okay, can enter is 4. The size of the array. You see, this is the same. Then 4. I'll tell you why the answer is 2.5. Because in here, the size of our array is 4. Then plus 1 is 5. When you divide it into 2, the answer will be 2.5. Now, let's try the binary average search. Now let's try binary average search. This is our package. Import java.io. Then our class name is binary average. Then public static void main string args to our exception. Standard auto print enter the size of the array. This is where we gonna input our variable. Then see that read line will read our buffer reader, and then we'll go to our double average case. Average case is equals mat.logarithm size divide mat.logarithm 2 plus 1. Okay. Then we will try to run our file cmd. Now you have to save your file to your desktop. Put it here like this, then run desktop. Use desktop because this is where we save our file in our path then Java, then the name of your file, the binary average Java. And then Java binary average. What we're gonna enter is 8. The average case of binary search is 4. Now I will show you how we get 4. Logarithm is equals to 0.9, and logarithm 2 it equals to 0.31. Just to be complete, then 0. Okay. Then you have to divide these two. Okay, let's try it ito. The calculator to make sure our answer is correct. Then put logarithm 8 equals 0.9. Then divide to logarithm of 2 equals 3. Then you have to make it use the plus 1, then will be equals to 4. Thank you for watching my video.